Hello guys, I said earlier this is a turbocharger and it usually works as putting in much air in the chamber to increase the volumetric efficiency of the system. So you hear people saying a turbocharger, this is it, and it has an end for the turbine at the spinning part that drives the shaft that is connected to the compressor. As you can see, they are connected on the same shaft. So the shaft drives the compressor whenever the turbine is turning up. Yeah. So this part is a part for lubrication for the shaft. Since it is driving, it needs something to lubricate. So the wisdom of an engineer created a part to lubricate the system like oil. And this slot is a volute form that's bringing in the air from the chamber. That's the exhaust air. And when it comes to the compressor end, it also has a volute form that drives off the air that is being compressed. So whenever the compressor is turning, that's the impeller is turning, it kind of drives in air through that volute form straight into the chamber. So the turbocharger is very essential to an engine performance, and very expensive. I must say, very expensive, but you can easily maintain it very well, and you will enjoy your car very much. So watch it very carefully. This is how the construction is, full design. This component is a part of the turbocharger. There's a spring for a valve. But since this laboratory board, there are components that are pairs. I prefer this because this will help you see things visually very well and clear as compared to a live one. Be very careful not to joke with this. The impellers are very sharp. Whenever you're running, be very careful. Don't put it in your hand. So as you can see, they all turn along because it's driven on the same shaft. And up here, there's a part that air drifts down to lubricate the shaft and the running components. And the oil drops down there. So there is an oil supply and the oil return. So when the return isn't working effectively, you pay a price. Don't forget, some designers have got intercoolers for the system to cool down the compressed air before it gets into the system. That's combustion chamber. So we'll say thank you for your time being with AutoFix Arena. Please subscribe, share, and like our system so as to motivate us. It's an up and growing YouTube channel, so you can connect your family and friends to help grow the channel. Thank you.